Just looking for something to eat. What type of apple is this? Ow, that hurts my mouth. Ow, that still hurts my mouth.
Oh, stupid dad. Doesn't understand that I'm a Saiyan god.
Hey kid, you want to trade me something for this apple?
That's not an apple. That's a Dragon Ball. Give me that.
No, you gotta trade me something for it.
How about I trade you this Gallic gun?
Oh, hell no. How about my Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
No one can beat a Saiyan god like me. What are you thinking?
I have a balloon.
Well, can I have it? Stop hitting me.
Hey, you popped my balloon.
Oh, and now you're going down. No one can beat me. Now give me that Dragon Ball.
No, my apple!